Good day to my future employer, ma'am and sir. My name is Chini Coyo Stanchado. I am 41 years old from Philippines. I am married. I have son and daughter, ages 16, 14, 12 years old. I have 6 siblings, 5 girls and 1 boy. My first work experience in Kuwait from the year 2017-2023. I serve family members and they are all adults. My main duties is to take the household chores like cooking, washing clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, and also taking care of dog. My second work experience was in United Arab Emirates for almost 3 years. I served a couple family with 3 kids, 2 boys and 1 girl, ages 4, 8, 12 years old. My duties and responsibilities include taking care of children, daily needs such as preparing their meals, feeding them, bathing them, and changing clothes. I also teach them good manners and make sure they are always safe, clean, and happy. My experience taught me the importance of discipline, patience, time, and management, and maintaining a positive attitude at work. I am confident that I can contribute my skills and dedication and strong works and ethic to my future employer. Thank you and God bless.